Okay, in number 4, you need to figure out what is the table representing. Is it a direct graph or an inverse graph? So to figure out if something is direct variation, both values need to be increasing in both columns. So looking at the first one over here, it's definitely not direct variation. It looks like it might be inverse. One's going up, one's going down. So to figure out if it is, let's figure out what the k is. So the k there would have to be the same for every single row, x times y. So here in this one we have 1 times 3, which is 3. We have 4 times 3/4, which is also 3. And 9 times 1/3, which is also 3. So this graph is an inverse graph, inverse. The k there is 3. The equation is y equals, remember k over x, 3 over x. Okay, for the graph in the middle here, let's see if it's direct variation. We're taking our 2 and our y and dividing it by x. So for direct, don't forget, we have to get our k, we would have to do y over x. So let's divide each y by x here. Each y by x, and when you do that, you get the answer to be a negative 3.3 as my constant. So this is direct variation. My equation would be y equals negative 3.3x. The last graph here, the last table, let's take a look. It's increasing and then it's decreasing, right? So it might be inverse variation. So let's check inverse variation. We find it by doing x times y. So 24 times 3, that's 72. 9 times 8 is also 72. 12 times 6 is also 72. So this is an inverse graph. The k is 72. Let's go back to our equation for inverse. So we do it y equals 72 over x.